How to redeem Roblox codes. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Log into your account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down till you find gift cards. Click on gift cards and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on redeem card, which is located on top right corner of your screen. It will lead you to a website. In here, simply add your code to redeem. After you have added your code, simply click on redeem on bottom and you're good to go. This is how to redeem Roblox codes. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.